3, exercise 3.3. Question 1. Give me the parallelogram ABCD complete each statement along with the definition or property used. AD equal to ... angle DCB is equal to ... OC equal to ... measure of angle DAB plus measure of angle CDA. Here AD is the side of parallelogram which is equal to opposite side BC of this parallelogram. So AD equal to BC. Opposite sides of a parallelogram be parallel and equal. Parallel and equal. Parallel and equal. Angle DCB is equal to BAD. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So DCB is equal to BAD. थर्ड पॉइंट है OC इक्वल टू OA के. OC equal to OA. Diagonals bisect each other at the point A. Measure of angle DAB plus measure of angle CDA. Sum of adjacent angles. Sum of these angles DAB and CDA are adjacent angles B1 and D. Question number 2. Consider the following parallelograms. Find values of unknowns x, y and z. Here the first parallelogram in which x, y and z are unknown values and one angle 100 degree is given. So y is equal to 100 because opposite angles of a parallelograms are equal. And x is equal to z by same property. Therefore x plus z equal to 360 minus 100 plus 100 is equal to 360 minus 200. That is x is equal to z k. Therefore z plus z 2z is equal to 160 and z is equal to 160 by 2 is equal to 80 degree. So z is equal to 80 degree, y is equal to 100 and x is equal to z. In second parallelogram from figure second, 180 minus z equal to 50 degree के. 180 minus z is equal to 50 degree के. Therefore minus z is equal to 50 minus 180. That is minus 130. Minus z is equal to minus 130. Z is equal to 130. So x plus 50 equal to 180 के. X plus 50 is adjacent angle. Therefore x plus 50 is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 minus 150, that is 30. So y is equal to x because opposite angles of parallelogram. So y is equal to x is equal to 30 degree. Therefore x is equal to 30, y is equal to 30 and z is equal to 130. From figure third, x equal to 90 degree according to figure. Opposite angles are opposite angles vertically opposite angles are equal, therefore x is equal to 90 के. y plus 90 plus 30, y plus 90 plus 30 equal to 180 के, therefore y plus 120 is equal to 180 के, y is equal to 180 minus 120 equal to 60 के. तो y is equal to 60 और z equal to y के, z is equal to y के, because alternate angles are equal, therefore z is equal to y is equal to 60 के. Then x is equal to 90, z और y equal to 60. From figure 5th, y is equal to 112 because opposite angles of parallelogram be equal. तो y equal to 112. 112 plus 40 plus x equal to 180. Therefore 152 plus x equal to 180. X equal to 180 minus 152, x is equal to 28, y is equal to 128, z is equal to x is equal to 28. Here पैरेललोग्राम जो दिया गया है इसमें हमको AD के बराबर वैल्यू क्या होगी, AD इक्वल टू BC होगा क्योंकि ये विपरीत भुजा है पैरेललोग्राम की, समांतर चतुर्भुज की विपरीत भुजाएं हैं, इसलिए विपरीत भुजाएं इक्वल होती हैं. AD इक्वल टू BC. DCB इक्वल टू इट्स opposite angle BAD के. Therefore DCB angle DCB is equal to BAD के, because opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram. OC बराबर है यहाँ पर, OC डायगोनल का पार्ट है और डायगोनल्स बाइसेक्ट each other at the point O, therefore OC is equal to OA के. तो OC is equal to OA or measure of two angles that are adjacent equal to 180, because DAB and CDA both are adjacent angle. DAB and CDA both are adjacent angle, therefore its value is 180. ये पैरेललोग्राम की फिगर 1 में एक 100 डिग्री कोण दिया गया है, इसका अपोजिट एंगल y है, इसलिए y इक्वल टू 100 हो गया और x इक्वल टू z हो गया क्योंकि अपोजिट एंगल्स आर इक्वल, और x प्लस z की वैल्यू 360 माइनस 200 होगी. देयरफॉर x इक्वल टू z के है, इसलिए 2z इक्वल टू 160, द z इक्वल टू 80 डिग्री. फ्रॉम फिगर सेकेंड 180 माइनस z, दिस एंगल इज 180 माइनस z इक्वल टू 50 के. देयरफॉर माइनस z इक्वल टू 50 माइनस 180 इक्वल टू माइनस 130 और माइनस z कैंसिल बाय माइनस, देयरफॉर z इक्वल टू 130. Here x plus 50 are adjacent angles, therefore x plus 50 is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 minus 50. X plus 50 is equal to 180 के. Therefore 180 minus 50 is equal to 130. It will be 130. It will be 130. 130. Then x is equal to y is equal to 130. तो x is equal to 30, y is equal to 30, x is equal to 130, y is equal to 130 and z is equal to 130. From figure third, x is equal to 90, so y plus 90 plus 30 is equal to 180. Therefore, y plus 120 is equal to 180, y is equal to 180 minus 120, that is 60. So, z is equal to y is equal to 60 and s is equal to 90. In figure 5, from the figure fifth, y is equal to 112 because opposite angles in a parallelogram are equal. 112 plus 40 plus x, 112 plus 40 plus x is equal to 180k. 112 plus 40 plus x plus 40 plus x equal to 180. Therefore, 150 plus x is equal to 180k. Y is equal to 112. Therefore, y plus 40 plus x, y plus 40 plus x is equal to 180, so 152 plus x is equal to 180, then x is equal to 28. So y is equal to 112, x is equal to, or z is equal to 28k.